Impulse buying isn't just a harmless habit, it's one of the biggest roadblocks to financial freedom. Every unplanned purchase chips away at your goals, leaving you further from the life you want to build. Here's the truth. If you can control impulse spending, you can save more money, reduce stress, and finally take charge of your financial future. Let me guide you through strategies that will not only help you stop impulse buying, but also shift your mindset entirely. Stick with me, because these steps are practical, effective, and easy to implement. You'll walk away with the tools you need to start saving more money today. Let me explain something that's crucial to understand. Impulse buying isn't about need, it's about emotion. Retailers know this, and they're masters at playing to your feelings. Whether it's the limited time offer flashing on your screen or the shiny packaging at the checkout line, it's all designed to make you act without thinking. Now, here's the key I want you to write down. Impulse buying thrives on urgency and emotional triggers. The more aware you are of those triggers, the easier it becomes to break free from them. Ask yourself, are you shopping because you're bored, stressed, or trying to fill a void? Recognizing the why behind your purchases is the first step to regaining control. Here's a powerful tool, the 24-hour rule. Anytime you feel the urge to make an unplanned purchase, pause. Don't click buy now or swipe your card. Instead, wait 24 hours. Now, let me explain why this works. Impulse buying is fueled by instant gratification. When you give yourself time, you break the emotional cycle and allow your rational mind to take over. After a day, most people realize they didn't truly need or want the item. It was just a fleeting desire. This simple rule not only saves money, but also trains your brain to pause and think before spending. Try it once, and you'll see how powerful it can be. Let me show you a game changer. Shopping with a list. Whether you're at the grocery store, a mall, or even browsing online, create a plan before you shop. Write down exactly what you need and stick to it. No exceptions. Here's the psychology behind it. A list keeps you focused. It prevents you from wandering into sections you didn't intend to visit or clicking on suggested items that have nothing to do with your goals. Think of your list as your financial guardrail. It keeps you on track and blocks distractions. The next time you shop, commit to this habit. You'll notice how much easier it becomes to avoid unnecessary purchases. Now, I want you to hear this. Stopping impulse buying doesn't mean depriving yourself completely. In fact, trying to cut out all indulgences can lead to frustration and eventually a spending binge. Instead, budget for small treats. Here's how it works. Each month, set aside a specific amount for guilt-free spending. It could be $20, $50, or whatever fits your budget. Knowing you have permission to spend this amount removes the temptation to splurge impulsively. And here's the beauty of it. Because you've planned for these treats, you'll actually enjoy them more. You're not sabotaging your financial goals. You're supporting them while still enjoying life. Let me share something most people overlook. Clutter, whether in your inbox, your social media, or your home, fuels impulse buying. Every promotional email, every ad on Instagram, every pile of unused items in your closet is a reminder to spend more. Here's what I want you to do. Unsubscribe from marketing emails, unfollow brands on social media, and clean out your living space. The less noise you have, the less tempted you'll feel to buy things you don't need. Think of this as clearing the path for your financial goals. When you remove unnecessary temptations, you make it easier to focus on what truly matters. Here's the ultimate mindset shift. Start seeing every dollar you spend as a decision between your short-term desires and your long-term goals. Let me explain this with an example. Imagine you're tempted to buy a $100 gadget. Ask yourself, is this $100 helping me build my emergency fund, save for a vacation, or invest in my future? If the answer is no, put it back. Here's the secret. When you tie your spending to your goals, you stop seeing money as something to be wasted and start seeing it as a tool for building the life you want. Write this down and remember it every time you're tempted to buy. Does this purchase align with my priorities? Let me show you a bigger perspective. Most people spend their lives as consumers, constantly chasing the next purchase. But if you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to shift from being a consumer to being a creator. Instead of buying, think about building. Instead of asking, "What can I get?" ask, "What can I create?" This might mean starting a side hustle, learning a new skill, or even investing in experiences that enrich your life instead of filling your shelves. The wealthiest people didn't get there by buying, they got there by building. Make this your new mantra: create more, consume less. Impulse buying isn't just a habit, it's a mindset. But the good news is, you have the power to change it. By understanding your triggers, using tools like the 24-hour rule and shopping lists, and aligning your spending with your goals, you can stop impulse buying and take back control of your finances. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one strategy from this video and start using it today. Whether it's waiting 24 hours before a purchase or creating a budget for indulgences, commit to making a change. Tell me in the comments, what's the first step you'll take to stop impulse buying? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this video gave you clarity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Financial freedom isn't a distant dream. It's a choice you make with every dollar. Let's make those choices count.